Amazon has made it easier than ever for anyone to publish a book. But here's the truth. There are secrets about how KDP actually works that Amazon will never share with you. In this video, I'm going to reveal the biggest publishing secrets that Amazon does not want you to know. And once you understand these, you'll know how to position yourself to actually succeed while everyone else struggles. Sound good? Let's dive in. Secret number 1. Amazon does not care about your book. Here's the first secret. Amazon doesn't care about your book. What do I mean? Amazon isn't in the business of promoting your dream. They're in the business of selling whatever makes them money. So if your book doesn't get clicks and conversions, Amazon's algorithm will bury it. That means it's not the best written books that sell, it's the best packaged books. Great covers, clickable titles, and the right keywords. That's how you get Amazon to push your book. Without that, you're invisible. Secret number 2, the keyword trap. Secret number 2, keywords. Most authors throw random keywords into the keyword slot and hope for the best. But Amazon's search bar is a goldmine for real buyer intent. When you type in a word like productivity, notice what comes up in autocomplete. Productivity for moms, productivity hacks for students, productivity planner. Those are actual phrases that customers are typing in. If you don't use them, you're ignoring free data that Amazon is literally handing you. All right, now secret number 3, you're allowed 10 categories, not 2. Here's a secret that almost no new author knows. You aren't limited to just 2 or 3 categories. That's all the dashboard shows you, but you could actually request up to 10 categories for your book if you contact Amazon directly. Why does that matter? More categories means more visibility, which means more chances to rank and more opportunities to get in front of readers. Most authors never take advantage of this, but it's one of the fastest ways to gain traction. Secret 4, Amazon ads aren't optional anymore. Years ago, you could upload a book and get organic sales, but now ads are baked into the system. Amazon prioritizes books that drive revenue, and ads prove your book can make money. That does not mean you need a huge budget, but if you're not running even small targeted ads, you're at a strong disadvantage compared to authors who are. Now finally, secret number 5, series sell, singles don't. Here's the last big secret. Series sell, but singles don't. What do I mean by this? Amazon rewards authors who publish consistently and build a catalog. If you think one book will change your life, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. But if you publish multiple books, especially in a connected series, then each new release boosts the old ones. That's how you build compounding sales that keep working month after month. So those are the publishing secrets that Amazon does not want you to know. They don't care about your book, only about sales. Keywords and categories are your secret weapons. Ads are not optional, and series and catalogs are the long game. If you treat publishing like a business, use these strategies, and stay consistent, you can absolutely win on Amazon KDP in 2026. And if you want to see the exact prompts, strategies, and publishing system that I use to create books in under 24 hours, I've put everything inside my course. The link is below. Thank you for watching. If you got value, smash that like button, and I will see you in the next video.